Hey friends, it's time yet again to do another cash stuffing, and I think it's going to be a short one. I think the savings challenge video is going to be short. If you hear background music, it is my daughter's lullaby music on the baby monitor, so you know that could be maybe a little mood music for you. I don't know. Hi, what's up? It is, what is it, August 8th today, Thursday, and can't wait for the weekend. Let's get started. So this is my seasonal undated budget planner. I use it in every cash stuffing video, but just in case you're new here, it is themed to the season. You can see it is full color. It's available on Amazon. I also have a neutral version. Do you guys remember this? Well, yeah, I haven't tracked since June. I don't think I worked out one day in June, not one day in July. We're in August now. It's not looking good. I fell off the wagon completely, and I told myself I wasn't going to let myself do that, and I did. And it's the tracking. I would have stuck with the tracking, I think, except there's nothing to track. So you probably haven't been wondering about that, but just in case you were, there you go. All right, we're on August, and it's the first paycheck of August. Crazy times. Okay, as you can see, we're not doing a whole lot. We'll stuff the wallet. We're doing one sinking fund with only 20 bucks, and that's just where we're at these days. You guys, also, I have to say, I went to pay my student loan payment today, and if you are familiar with student loans, I don't know when, this year, I guess, earlier this year, late last year, whenever, they came out with a different income-based repayment plan, the SAVE plan, and it was supposed to lower basically almost everyone's student loan payments to make them more manageable, and it did that, and I am on that. But now I logged in today to make my payment, and it says that there is like a stop on that right now. They basically don't want to be implementing that, and so that really stinks, because if my payments go up again, that's going to be really extremely tight with now paying a mortgage. If I'd have known that, I would have not bought a house. So we'll have to wait and see on that. This is not a political place, so if you have any political comments, don't. But yeah, I'm really bummed and surprised, and we will leave it at that. Okay, I did my change. There wasn't too much. Let's see, we have some cash in here. This is from the ATM. Let's see what we have in terms of rollover. I saw that I did show my license, and I'll have to block that out. Not a whole lot of rollover here. Let's see. We have 20, 40, 50, 65, 66, 67, $68. And since I have two 10s here, I'm going to take these and switch them for a 20 because I already know I need some change. So that's what we're doing. So 65, 68, I think. This is just going to be set aside for savings challenges. And let's stuff the wallet. So as usual, 150 bucks going into the wallet. Again, nothing exciting. I just literally counted out and put it in. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, and 50. So there we go. 150. Bing, bang, boom. Goes in. And that's all there is to that. I do like this wallet. It has like a separate section for cards in the front, and then your cash and stuff in the back. If you're interested, this is linked in my Amazon storefront. It does come in different colors. I can recommend it. I do enjoy it. I like the quilted pattern and everything else. So, you know, side note there. All right, so that just leaves us with $30. 20 is going to go into my vacation sinking fund, and 10 is actually towards challenges. Again, just because I can only take increments of 20 out of the ATM, so that's the reason for that. This video is going to be extremely super duper duper short, and that's okay. All right, let's go to vacation, see what we got in here. We are actually leaving, you guys, next week. I kind of didn't realize how close it was. So yeah, that's crazy. I am looking forward to just going, relaxing. I won't have to do any painting or anything for an entire week. And that's going to be nice. So we have $70 in here. It's not a lot. I'll probably take it out to take with me just for a little bit of spending money. We'll see about that. Okay. So 50 and 20 makes 70, and this 50 is in the bank, so I will need to take that out of savings if I want to take it with me. I don't know. We will see how it goes. That is it, my friends. I do have one other thing to show you. All right, here is the last thing I have to show you. I have $100 as my very first payment to paying my mom back for letting me borrow some money, and I am going to be using my new planner, Destroy That Debt. This is available on Amazon. I just love this because I just think it's like a cute and sort of fun way to track your debt, pay off progress. Now this has enough for 12 debts. I'm only using it for my mom right now, but you can use the entire book if you want. I just flipped to this purple one. They're all different colors, and that's because I chose to use this cute little piggy bank savings challenge. Each debt has a different savings challenge, and I just liked this one the best. So that's the only reason I chose this. But I wrote my starting balance up here. I wrote the date of the payment, my payment amount, and then my remaining balance. Again, I have tons of space here to write all of my payments to her. I'm assuming it's going to take quite a while to pay her off, so I have plenty of space to track all of my payments. And then again, this is a savings challenge, so I can visually see my progress. So each one of these little piggies is $100. They are there are 100 of them, and so that's going to equal $10,000. So I was able to color one little piggy. It's only one right now, but once we start getting some more colored in, and you know, once we start getting down there, it's going to be so cool to see the progress. So if you're interested in this, it is available on Amazon. It does, you know, I could write notes here if I want to. I don't have any notes that I need to write at the moment, but I have that space available if I need it. And that is what I wanted to show you. I did record a little short on that as well, but I think it's just going to be fun to fill this out. Like I said, I do like seeing my progress. I think that's a strong motivator, you being able to track it and kind of see where you're at with that. And again, as you start getting closer and closer to that payoff, it's just going to motivate you even more. So like I said, that is available on Amazon just in case you happen to be interested. It is linked below in the description box and also in my Amazon storefront. But that's it, my friends. That is all we have for this cash stuffing, a really short and sweet one. I'm gonna go film the savings challenge video. I can't wait. I hope to see you there. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, super quick announcement. I forgot to make in the video. No surprise there. Etsy. Okay, we are leaving August 17th. So the Etsy shop is gonna close for physical items on August 15th, the evening of August 15th. Sorry for the noise, that's my printer. So the last day to order physical items in my Etsy shop will be August 15th. I'm going to turn off all the physical items that evening, and then the 16th, if I have any orders, that will give me the opportunity to get everything out on the 16th. Again, we're leaving the following day. While I'm away, you will still be able to order digital items, and then I will be accessible by message and things like that because I won't be out of the country or anything like that. I will be in another state, but I will be able to be reached by message. And then the shop will remain closed maybe until the 20th or 21st. We get back, I think, the 24th. But I can probably turn the shop back on a couple days prior to that. Just know, you know, your order will not go out that same day or the next day. So yeah, I'm undecided on the day that I will be turning everything back on, but last day to order physical items in the shop, August 15th. And I do have a sale. I just put on a sale from now until I leave. So if there's anything you want to grab, you can go ahead and most likely get it on sale, including a couple things that are never on sale. So go check it out if there's anything you've been wanting. I think that's it. Love you. Bye.